Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome to Thursday, September 19th of 2019 with our morning announcements. For birthdays for today, we have Chase Columby and Trayden Walkland. So happy birthday, both of you. I hope you have a wonderful day. For our lunch choices today, we have walking tacos, Bosco breadsticks, or turkey and cheese sandwich. So sorry about that. Turkey and cheese sandwich is the third choice. Our pause samples are brought to you by our kindergarten students and Mrs. Green's class today.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our pause, and we have three students here from kindergarten and Mrs. Green's class that will review some things for pause for today.
Don't jump off the slide. Don't jump on the monkey ball. Play safe on the playground.
Great advice. Thank you, guys.
Awesome. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate that. You did a wonderful job with that today. And for our gratitude of the day, I would like everyone to think of the word confidence today. Confidence is a big word, but really what confidence stands for is that your willingness to try and give your best effort. So today I would like all of us to have a little bit more confidence and try things that might be a little bit difficult for us. I saw a lot of people the other day when we were outside on the playground and also in the cafeteria introducing themselves and saying hi to people that they are not friends with all the time. So I appreciate that gratitude that people are showing out there with people. But today, confidence. Have the confidence to do something that might be a little difficult. At this time, let's please have a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, guys. They were a little shy on doing the Pledge of Allegiance, so I had to help them out so they had a little bit more confidence to do it. So I hope everybody has a great day. Make sure you're doing your best. Try your best on everything that you're doing, and have a wonderful Thursday.